This is the story of Gaurav, a little boy from a village who often struggled with balance while playing with his friends. The other children would often tease him, which gradually eroded his self-confidence. But one day, an old gulmohar tree in the village and a sweet little bird living on it taught Gaurav a valuable lesson about balance and patience, one that transformed his life. Let's delve into this story to discover how Gaurav harmonized his mind and body to achieve balance and confidence. For more such entertaining and educational stories, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In a small corner of the village stood an old gulmohar tree that would bloom with bright red flowers every summer. Beneath this tree, the village children would gather to play. Gaurav, an 8-year-old boy, loved to play there too. However, Gaurav had one problem. He struggled to maintain balance. Whether it was walking a straight line or standing on a bench, he would often lose his balance and fall. This would prompt the other children to tease him. One day, while Gaurav sat crying alone under the tree, he noticed a dry, slanted branch on the tree. It was bent downward, as if it was about to break. Gaurav thought to himself,
"This branch could fall at any moment. How is it still holding on?"
Just then, a bird perched on the branch flew down and chirped sweetly near him. Gaurav looked at the bird in surprise. The bird said,
"Gaurav, do you know why I live on this tree?"
Wiping his tears, Gaurav replied,
"No." "Why?"
The bird said,
"Because this tree is not just strong, it is balanced. No matter how many storms come, its roots are so deeply embedded that it never loses its balance. Every leaf, every branch, every twig has a unique harmony that keeps it standing tall."
Gaurav wondered aloud.
Can I achieve such balance too?
Sensing his doubt, the bird said,
"Of course. But you need to practice. Do you see how every branch, every leaf of this tree aligns with one another? If even one part becomes weak, the entire tree might collapse. Similarly, you must build harmony between your body and mind."
Gaurav tried to understand, but felt the task seemed daunting. The bird reassured him.
"Come, let me teach you some simple activities. Practice them every day, and you'll see how much you improve."
The bird taught Gaurav a simple exercise first.
Draw a long, straight line on the ground and try to walk on it, balancing on one foot. It might feel tough at first, but focus on your breathing and try to balance your weight equally between your legs.
Gaurav followed her instructions. He kept falling repeatedly, but the bird encouraged him, saying,
"Falling isn't bad, little one. The real strength lies in getting back up every time you fall."
After a few days, Gaurav managed to walk the line without falling. His face began to glow with newfound confidence. The bird then motivated him to take on the next challenge, walking slowly on a small wooden bench. Gaurav observed that if he carefully balanced his weight and placed each step thoughtfully, he could easily walk on the bench without falling. Gradually, Gaurav learned more challenging activities, such as walking between small blocks and balancing on a rope laid on the ground. He even mastered swinging on a swing without losing his balance. The village children, who used to tease him earlier, now looked at him in amazement. Everyone began praising his courage and coordination. Gaurav regained his self-confidence. He realized that falling and failing are a part of the journey, and that patience and practice can help him master any task. This newfound skill made him happier and more confident. One day, the village elder asked Gaurav,
"Son, where did you learn this balance and courage from?"
Smiling, Gaurav replied.
I learned it from the Gulmohar tree and this bird. They taught me that balance isn't just about the body but also the mind. When both the body and mind are in harmony, we can face any challenge.
From that day on, all the children in the village began learning balance, coordination, and patience from Gaurav. They took inspiration from the deep roots of the Gulmohar tree, its harmonious branches, and its flexible leaves. Gradually, all the children began practicing balance and self-discipline in everything they did. This story teaches us that a balance and coordination are not just necessary for physical activities but are essential in every aspect of life. When we rise above the fear of falling and embrace balance, no obstacle can stand in our way.